All right. How's everybody doing? Still hanging out there? All right. I'm Alex Bazhinov, CEO and founder of Lumin, and we make residential energy storage smart by managing in-house energy consumption. As everybody in this room knows, the traditional one-way centralized grid is giving way to the decentralized multi-way grid of the future. This transition is powered by increased adoption of distributed energy resources like solar and storage. However, this transition is not possible without knowing when, where, and how energy is consumed, and without the ability to act based on that knowledge and control that energy consumption at the most granular local level. Without having those capabilities, solar and storage cannot realize their full potential because they're not smart, they're not flexible, they cannot be adjusted to the homeowner's needs. So, for example, let's take storage. If you buy a home battery today, it cannot back up your entire house. You have to pre-select a handful of loads and place them into a protected loads panel. So typically 6 loads, and only those get power when the battery is on, while the rest of the house stays in the dark. That's where Lumin Energy Management Platform, when paired with any residential storage system, allows for dynamic whole home energy backup. It allows the homeowner to select which circuits get power at any given moment. And it makes the storage flexible and smart while also reducing the installation costs by removing the need of the protected loads panel. So you may ask, how do we do this? We bring the intelligence to the grid edge. We insert the smarts into the circuit breaker panel, the place where energy meets end consumer. Our platform is a combination of hardware and software, and it allows for granular per-circuit data collection and analysis and control with the same level of granularity. But the coolest piece is that the control that we have is powered by the data that we collect. So the algorithms that run the platform are based on that feedback loop. The hardware component of the platform is UL compliant. The whole platform is patented and available commercially today. We've built a world-class team that brings top-notch experience to the table in software development, big data, engineering, sales, and marketing. And with that team, we have built this platform that can be paired with any residential storage system. And we have just completed technical pre-certification with a major storage manufacturer that plans to roll out our platform as a standard solution for their storage systems. As you guys already know, I hope, by now, that we're focused on residential energy storage right now, and that's our application. After that, we will be using the same technology to serve dynamic energy rates markets, places where people pay time of use and demand charges. There are currently 6.5 million people in the US in those markets, and that number will go to 20 million over the next 2 years, and we can cut their bills in half. Right now, we're at this inflection point becoming the standard for energy storage installation when every storage system comes with Lumin Energy Management Platform. Thank you for your attention. Please come find me after the presentations.